Hello friends, today I am reviewing a new product, Gold Rush. Let us see what is this. This is the product where you can easily make $176 every day, and you can further you can increase it to any amount as you wish using their pro version. It is very simple. In step 1 you have to grab the copy of Gold Rush, and then you have to set up your entire system, which will take about 15 minutes, and then start collecting your payment sales directly to your PayPal account. Meet the creators, Johnny Rose and Shasha Lick. They are in the affiliate marketing, and they are creating product for years together. Now this is a new product which has been used by their beta tester, and they are earning good money. You will be exposed to a system where there are 229 million daily active users. They are all waiting. This is unsaturated market, and it is unlikely to be saturated in years to come. So you can join early and start making good money. There are 5 over-the-shoulder case studies inside. Unlike any other, these are the actual case studies where you will learn pitfalls of the product. Why it is so different? Because it provides fast result. Period. That 5 different methods I explained, instead of telling you, we decided to show you. Not only that, we decided to guide you to your first sale, and this is the promise. It can be used by variety of persons like freelancers, bloggers, newbies, marketers, YouTubers, and dropshippers. Then let me tell you, there is no SEO, no Facebook, no YouTube, no ad creation, no solo ads, no email marketing. So what are you getting in this? It is built basically for the newbies, a battle tested system that 5 marketers inside Gold Rushes are using, complete free traffic method, high quality 24/7 support, 20 video modules on setting up this system, 5 video case studies, $170 a day money making blueprint, and 100% proven system. Let us see what is inside Gold Rush. This is a welcome video where you will find everything about this product. Then this section 1 will have main snapshot. This is the Snapchat training, Snapchat overview, Snapchat app installation, creating your own Snapchat using Bitmoji to create your snapshot, creating snap content, then snapshot camera control, adding text to Snapchat, adding an annotation in Snapchat 1. Then there are 3 parts in this, then send option, and then story. Then that story also has 3 parts. Then add account setup, add account interface, all details about ads, uploading your own catalog to ad platform, make detail objective of the Snapchat, and conclusion training. Now, second part, making money with Snapchat case studies. There are uh, 5 case studies shown where it is very easy to follow, and you can get your own products selling very fast. Then conclusion is there. Once you finish, what to do next. Then there are upgrades available. That Gold Rush Pro, which will cost you $27. Gold Rush done for you, $47. In this $47 one, you will find everything about 6,000 chats which you can use directly. You don't have to create your own. Then Profile Booster will cost you $147, and coaching, if you want, that is $77, and if you want reseller right of this product, that will cost you $97. Then there are free traffic bonuses are also there. Bing ad training, solo ad training, FB ad traffic training, advert recharging tutorial, then Instagram made easy. Then there will be lot of unannounced bonuses are also there, which are all free. Now let us see the bonuses they are offering. The product is offering master FB ads. Then number two, they are offering master Bing ads, then master Google AdWords, and then solo ad mastery. So these are the bonuses, and sorry, one more is Instagram mastery. So friends, let us see what you are getting with this product. Five the over shoulder videos, case studies, and 20 video model on setting up the entire Gold Rush system. Five high quality traffic accelerators to drive buyers from FB, Instagram, Bing, Google, and solo ad. FB mastermind access, then highest quality support, 30 days money back guarantee, complete free traffic method, 100% proven system that works over and over again, and ironclad 30 days money back guarantee. Total value is $997, but you are getting today initial cost of just $9.45. So friends, what are you waiting for? Just choose this option to get this product without any risk and start making money. And of course, this is ironclad guarantee. So if you don't like it, there is absolutely no problem. Send them an email, and your every penny will be refunded. So just click the button below to get this product and my awesome bonuses and for your financial freedom. Thank you.